First, I will show my proof. I have enrolled 800 plus courses by using this method in Udemy. So now I will show my proof. Click on my courses. So here you can see that I have totally enrolled 841 courses by using this method. So continue to watch this video till the end. I will show how I got these courses for free. So now let's go into the video. Come on. Many of you think that you can't enroll in Udemy for free, but there are free courses as well as paid courses. So I have enrolled some of the free courses only. Some other courses are paid courses. So I will show in this video how I got the paid courses for free. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. To understand how I got this courses for free, first we should understand how this platform, Udemy platform, works. Here in this Udemy platform is nothing but an online learning portal, just like NPTEL, the other things. But here you can access the courses for lifetime till you had this account in this Udemy platform. This platform, many IT related courses, programming, software designing courses such as Photoshop, Adobe. So Adobe Photoshop courses are very popular in this platform. So first, like YouTube, contents are arranged according to the channels. So specific channels focus on specific niche, or in Udemy this is totally different. Here the courses are arranged according to the instructors. So you can also become instructor in this Udemy. Personally, I have completed 3 courses. That is, I have completed completely 3 courses in this platform. So this is good, I think so. Udemy platform, there are 2 types of courses. First one, free courses. In free courses, only 2 hours of content is limited. So less than 2 hours. So greater than 2 hours is not allowed in this platform, I think so. And next one is a paid courses. In this video, I will show how I got that courses. So in Udemy, if you're an instructor, you're creating some courses. So there will be more courses in the Udemy based on the topic. So you have to rank first. So first of all, they will run promotion campaigns and ad campaigns in digital marketing platforms such as YouTube, Google and Facebook. So one of the campaign is a coupon code. So by using this coupon code only, you can get these courses for free. Promoting their own courses, the instructors will create a coupon code such as 90% off courses. So sometimes some instructors gives 100% off courses. By using that only, I have enrolled in this many courses. So let's see how I did it. I got the coupon codes, that is 100% off coupon codes. Sometimes I got 96% off on it. But sometimes I have enrolled, but sometimes I didn't enroll that. So let's see how I platform. If your course done the job well, they will give titles such as bestseller courses. So for that course and all, rarely only you will get 100% off courses, but mostly you will get 95% or 90% off courses. So first head over to your browser and type tricksinfo.net. So this platform is nothing but they will give coupon code for 100% off courses. So here you can see 100% of Python bootcamp. So now I will choose any one course and I will show. So I will choose this Adobe courses, that is 40 hours. We can see if we didn't apply this coupon code, what is happening. So click on this arrow. So here you can see that this course is 455 rupees. So this is completely 40 hours course. Coupon codes are valid only for 2 to 3 days or 1 day only. So sometimes some coupon codes only valid for only 6 hours. So enroll as soon as they posted the course. So if you are a student, if you can't afford in buying courses for 500 rupees or 600 rupees, so use this method, it will be useful for you. So I used this and benefited from this method. If you feel uncomfortable in coming this website, if you consider this as a work, so they had a Telegram channel. They will post daily this much courses arrived today. So let's see how to join their channel. So come to bottom. So here you can see the Telegram channel, join us on Telegram today. So click on that. So if you face this error, so copy this, so go to Chrome. The previous method is not working, so in my case the previous method is not working, so second method is go to Telegram. So click and click on this search. So here type Udemy free. So you can see that Udemy free tricks info. So click on that. So I have already joined this channel. So if you need this type of courses, if you can't afford that paid courses, so you can use this method to get enrolled in many of the courses. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, to our channel for more tricks like this. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you got any courses like this, comment me below so I can know that some of them also got this. So thank you.